Hi everybody, and welcome to a slightly wet campsite again, and we're going to be quickly demonstrating the Cadac Dometic to cook, and we're going to be putting up the little stand that I bought for it, which will show you that. It's from Amazon. I'll put the description in the link for the stand, and also the dog's having a bit of a whinge. We've also got some of the other bits and pieces as well that go with it, because with the two cooks. So once you've used all the burners, you can all clean it off in there as well. So we'll go through all that in a minute. And we'll just get this all set up and we'll show you exactly what we're going to be working with today. So this little table is by, I can't pronounce that, so I'll just show you it, but I'll put the link. It was only about 30 odd quid, but this is a sort of roll out table. It's got the supports at the bottom, which are pretty secure. And it's also got a little under table, which I thought was really good. The beautiful thing about this is it goes so small when you put it away. So I love the fact that it can just go in my back of the van quite easily and not get in the way. So what we're going to try and do is not let any of this stuff roll away. There's some support legs, and we're going to just put this in the bag. Get a nice little split in between as well to keep the bottom part away from the top actual section. So this just pulls out like that. This can go at two heights, so the table can go at this height, and also so it can go its full extension, which is what we're going to do today. Which I've just pulled out too far. That's the one. So it does lock out once it's out. Simple as that. You have the support structure legs, which then have little strings on the middle, and there's holes which they sit in. Make sure you get the right way around, that clip in, which means the whole table sits out in its full length, which we'll just make sure that is set up. Once that's in place, we're then going to put the top on. Okay, so what we've done is we've put this little base bit on here as well, and there's some connection pieces which hold it in place here. So they go each end like that. This is like on a bungee, and that is set up now, ready for the top to go on it. Okay. So next thing we have is the Kadac Cook 2, and I love this thing. It's perfect. It's really small and neat, and it fits perfectly on top of my little table, and it's very, very sturdy. So if you want to come around here, I'll show you what it looks like on this side. So basically, you've got a small clip. That clip opens up, and you've got your 2-burner hob sat there. So at the bottom of the actual bag itself, it's got these nice little handy sort of flaps, which the hot plates sit in, and these little hot plates sit on top. These come off, and they take the place. Again, we've got this little storage underneath. We could stick them under there, and we'll stick the other one on. And these are really heavy duty sort of tops. This also comes with a little coffee pot one as well. So if you have a coffee pot, you put it on there as well. But that just sits on there like that. And then once we connect the gas up, we're ready to go. So what we have got this soft brush, which is good for getting off grime and dirt and stuff from this. Now, I can't remember what you're going to do when it's warm or hot or what, but there's also this other one. I think that's for when it's hot. I've got this other green grill brush, but I can't remember what they do. But I've got it all up and running. And yeah, we'll get it all connected up. This quick connection is really, really good, actually. Sorry, my kids are in the background being a pain. So we are cooking. Got the quick release valve on. We've got the top cover, especially when it's cold like this. Tend to find the heat will stay in there and retain. And we've got the burgers rocking and rolling. So far, so good.